Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nihad and currently I'm doing this botanical series. So this is yet another video which is in continuation to the botanical series. And for today's look, I have a very chic outfit which you can wear even to office or even day-to-day outings. So for this look, I have this top. It's sleeveless and it's like a shirt actually. It has collar and then frills around the button area, and there's lace around the collar as well as at the bottom. So yeah, that's the top, and then it's got this floral prints all over it, and also the gingham that it has. So I really like this, and that's the back. So I'm in love with this top, so I thought, yeah, I definitely picked it up. And then to go with it, we have just these jeans. It has this vertical pattern and then it cinches at the ankle. So it has loose fit, but then yeah, it cinches at the ankle. So I think this will go amazingly well with the top. The reason being, this also has these blue colored flowers, as you can see. So I think that will go well with these jeans. It matches. So that's to do with the outfit. So now I'll just quickly put this on and then I have some cool accessories to go with it. So we shall style it in a bit. I'll see you all soon. Hi, so here I am. I have the outfit on. That's how the top looks. And those are the jeans. It looks very cute, very chic. So yeah, that's the outfit. And now in order to accessorize it, I have a few things. So to begin with, I have these earrings that I'm pairing with this. This is how the earrings look. Up next, I have this necklace, which is bow. Uh, because this is a very cute outfit, so I thought that this probably would look great. That's how the necklace looks. This look is turning out to be a little vintagey, I guess, because the necklace and then this kind of gingham print and the florals are also quite vintage, and then these ruffles. So yeah, I'm kind of liking this look. So now that the necklace is on, next I have these kada, I would say, because it's black and it's got these roses or flowers which matches, the flowers on this, like if you can see really. So I'm pairing it with these two pills, and then I have this watch. And finally, I got a bunch of rings. To begin with, this one, I have this, which is a mid ring. Then I have this, which I'm again putting it in the other one. I also have the nail paint, which is pretty much matching because it's got glitter, like black glitter. And then I have another ring. So those are the rings. I got 4 rings on, and I think it matches perfectly with the outfit. So yeah, with that, the accessorizing is done. Let me do my hair. I'm keeping center parting for this look, and I'm gonna carry it this way. Yeah. So with that, the styling is done, and here's the complete look. the comments down below. How did you like this look? And turn the notifications on, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And thank you for stopping by for this video. And please drop a comment if you liked this or what are your views. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Until then, bye.